What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing this tow mirror on my 2016 Ram 1500. There's only a few tools that you need, but let's go ahead and get started. First tool you need is a T20 Torx screwdriver or bit. You'll need a Phillips head and flathead screwdriver. You'll need a panel tool of some sort, and then a 10mm socket on an extension. The first step is to remove this panel piece right here. It actually comes from right back behind the door here, and then behind it you can see there's a hole, and that will be a Phillips head screw. You'll have to remove that as well. The next piece we have to take off is this panel right here. That you just want to take a pry tool, get up in behind it, and it will pop right off. The next piece to come out will be our switch here. Again, same thing, pry tool, just get underneath it, it'll pop up. And then you can remove the plug. The next piece that has to come off is this surround behind the handle. For that, we'll take the panel tool again. Just get up underneath behind it. And then it will slide right off the handle. From there, the only thing left holding this in are these Torx screw pop clips. There's 6 of them in total, all around the edge of the door. I'm just going to take those off right now. One tip here is if they aren't unscrewing for you, you can put a flathead screwdriver behind the head and it will unscrew for you. Now that all of those screws are removed, you can grab the door by the handle and it will pop right off. So the next piece we have to take off is the wiring harness for the mirror. That connects right down here in this panel box. You can see this white switch here. Just pull in the locking tab. Pull that out. And then there's a black one right above it. That comes out as well. With the harness unplugged, you just need to remove it from its retaining clips on the door. The last thing to remove here to take our mirror out are these 3 bolts right here. And with that, you just need your 10mm socket. I recommend leaving one in just so you can take the mirror out a little easier without it falling out on you. You can just reach through here, grab the mirror, and then unscrew that last one and pull the wiring harness through this hole right here. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. Once you have the mirror in, you can get the rest of the bolts started with the remaining 2. And then from here, we're just going to wrench them tight. Next, we're going to just install this wiring harness back in. And once you have the wire, you can just run it down to the box here. Black on top. White on the bottom. Just to make sure everything is working, I did connect the switch back up real quick so we can hit the power fold. It comes in. And the adjustment works. The last thing to check is just the turn signal. That's how you know you've installed all the wires correctly. From here, just working backwards, putting the door back together, and I'll show you that process.
yeah, you know I do, to make it through the times we had. I see it now, I see it now. Real love, now I'll break through to show to you that I'm more good than I am bad. I'll work it out, I'll work it out. And I'll be somewhere that you need me, and I'll be holding my breath, waiting for you to show. I see it now, I see it now. Real love, now I'll break through to show to you that I'm more good than I am bad. I'll work it out, I'll work it out. And I'll be somewhere that you need me, and I'll be holding my breath, waiting for you to show.
All you have left to do is repeat the process for the other side. If you enjoyed this video, shoot it a thumbs up. If you want more content like this, consider subscribing to my channel.